Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm doing this look right here. This is a Halloween picture that I found on Pinterest and I want to recreate it. Halloween's coming up. I just want to do simple but really cool, cute, I don't know, styles. So, and fast and easy. So let's get started and try to recreate something like this. So for the eyeshadow, I'm doing lots of colors. Just kidding. I'm doing black, as you can see in the picture, and a little bit of gray. But yeah, let's blacken these eyes out. I started this one, but I'm just gonna work on this one first, and then bam, I'll have the other one done. But this one looks like there's some white in the crease, of course, of the corner of the eye, and then a little bit on the top. She comes down dark like that, and a little bit more. Actually, it looks like under her eye is very light, so I'm actually going to use some white eyeshadow to kind of lighten my face up a little bit and make sure those black lines look really bold. Man, oh wait, is this gonna make my eye bags look even more puffy? Actually, you won't even see my eye bags if I have those black lines under my eyes, right? Now I'm gonna do my other eye real quick and we'll continue. Alright, so both these eyes are done. Let's do the eyeliner to just kind of make it look a little bit better. All right, now we're gonna do the black coming from my eyes. Looks kind of run down, squiggly lines, so that's cool. I don't have to be straight with it. That's nice. I'm getting old enough where I have to go up the face, not down. Gosh. You know what? It doesn't need to be clean. Here's the eyes. Now I'm gonna do the moon on my head and do my lips. And my wig, my eyelashes. My moon okay? It's okay, right? It's alright, it's alright, it's good. Not as good as hers, but it's decent. I'm actually going to do my eyelashes and kind of darken this area just to match a little bit better, and do my lipstick, and well, let's see how it looks. Oh wait, there's more. So I just did my lips, the darkness on my cheeks a little bit, and I took my hair down, obviously. And now I'm going to do the lines on my lips, coming down from my lips. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlights and see how that looks. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Pretty easy, simple look, and all you need is really black, so maybe a little gray. Just different types of things of blacks, I guess. Lipstick, eyeliner, mascara, eyelashes, black, pencil, eyebrow pencil, black, outfit, black, you know. So yeah. All right, now let's put the blonde wig on and see how it looks. Ready, steady, go. What do you think? This is the final look. I forgot my hair is half black, half white. It wasn't a full white wig. I have a full blonde wig, which I could do too, but I thought this would look cooler, right? I bought this wig actually for my Spooky Little Peach video. She does amazing makeup, and she has like black hair, half black, half white. Actually, it's like a little strip of white or blonde or something. It looks really good, so I bought this wig for that, but it's perfect for this look. What do you think? Natural hair or this hair for this look? And comment down below, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. See you on the next video. Stay sweet. Bye.